Hello everyone, today we are looking at Linea lighting, a kitchen island light pendant. Of course it can be used for other areas. Today for this item we're actually using it for a kitchen island light pendant. Let's take a look at it. So here we have a thank you note. Of course we love purchasing from Linea lighting. Here is a small manual. It's not rocket science, but this is primarily what the island pendant looks like. We'll start with the ceiling plate, which is a nice color of matte black. This is the hard wiring area. It is not that difficult to get it wired in. Any simple electrician can go ahead and get it done. So as you can see, it's all full matte black to match your design that you need. And here is something else. Let me take this out. Oops. A little tight in there. Here's the first item. This is the extension. It can go up to 70 inches long. It's also in matte black, a very nice color. So you can see even if you put your fingers on it, it doesn't leave a print. So very nice material. Let's take the rest of it out. And here we have my favorite part. Here is the socket, also in a nice matte black. No fingerprints. Here you can see the actual size of the bulb. It doesn't actually come with the bulb. You do have to purchase that separately, but that is the size of the socket. And here we have the glass frame. It is a very nice clear glass. It looks small in the image, but it's actually not that small. It will make your kitchen look very nice. We purchased 4 of these to go over a large island, and as you can see, this is how it will look with your extension. There we have it.